My idea of luxury is the feel of the project. The person who's going to use the spaces, he should be very comfortable.
In Tamil, Poo means flower and Vaasal means the space in front of the main door. With the name Poo Vaasal, the design seeks to welcome everyday rituals in a modern spatial language. Every path in this home leads to the green that calms and connects.
I am architect Prasanna Parvatikar from Cubism Architects and Interior, Tiruppur.
Hi, this is architect Rupashri Parvatikar from Cubism Architects and Interiors, Tiruppur. Join me for an exclusive home tour of Poo Vaasal in Tiruppur. And to watch the premium videos and to access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. The project is located in a calm residential neighborhood of Tiruppur.
The first thing I understood of my clients is very simple. So the color palette or the material theme, what I have followed, especially marble, we wanted to maintain the subtleness everywhere. The concept started when I met my client. He was a bit specific about the Vaastu part.
They wanted a house which reflected their traditional values. At the same time, enjoy the luxury and comfort.
There are 3 roads, one facing north, one facing east and one facing south. As per Vaastu, we wanted to place the entire structure on the southwest part of the plot. The vehicle which comes in the northeast corner, you can get down from here and then you can go and park the car. We have given a small wicket gate and this acts as an entrance for the pedestrians. And this Aangan or this space, I wanted to create a canopy. And this is the veranda part which extend till the outer kitchen. So we have the koi fish pond. Once you enter to the foyer, you are able to see the Pooja Room. So once you come in, and this is the living room or the formal room of this house. This hall has 3 wall faces where I have garden on 3 sides. Only one material which I feel which stays forever, which is marble. The flooring pattern what we have done here, the jasmine white and the combination of Bianco Lassa, and the dining comes here which is in double height. So this dining has a view of this garden which has large waterfall. This dining has a view of this garden, this courtyard, and which allows us to bring the natural light or maybe ventilation. And all these courtyards have a special balcony. So from even the first floor user can experience those courtyards from the first floor. So if one leads here, there is a kitchen on this part. The central part, which after the dining, which has a large area, becomes an informal sitting. And then we have a master bedroom. I have used extensively subtle color marbles just to give that mild feeling everywhere. And we wanted to have marble in this project to give those timelessness feelings. So these panels with the grooved pattern on the back side we have, and this also silver grey lining marble. Once you land on the first floor from the staircase, master bedroom has been kept on the southwest corner, and there is one more daughter bedroom on the first floor. The home theatre placement has been done. The Vaastu detailings where they doesn't want to have offsets anywhere when we complete the house. So though there are offset beneath the roof of the structure, the top of the roof is straight line.
Day by day, we were growing with the house, so it is like a child for us. The favorite space in this house is the landscape area, where I connect to the nature.
Vaasal is a home that begins with nature. A quiet threshold that brings the breeze, the light, and the greenery together. The gardens aren't just outside. It flows into the house. That's what we imagined when we designed this home, the Vaasal.